Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6 NCERT chapter of playing with numbers. This is fourth question of its exercise 3.3. So the question says that using divisibility test, determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. So divisibility rule of 11 is sum of odd places digits and sum of even places digits. The difference of even and odd is equal to 0 or divisible by 11, then the complete number is divisible by 11. So for part A, 5 plus 4 9, then 4 plus 5 9, so 9 minus 9 0, so it's a divisible by 11. B, 1 plus 8 9 plus 4 13, then 0 plus 2 2, 13 minus 2 11, 11 is divisible by 11, so it's divisible. C, 7 plus 3 10 plus 9 19 plus 5 24 minus 1 plus 8 9 plus 6 15. 9, it's not divisible by 11, so it's not divisible by 11. 7 plus 1 8 plus 9 17 plus 0 17. 0 plus 6 6 plus 3 9 plus 8 17 is equal to 0, so it's divisible by 11. 1 using our even places, then odd places. So इनका सम हो जाएगा 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, then number is divisible by 11. Then in part F, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 minus 0 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. 11 is divisible by 11. So the complete number is divisible by 11. Yes. Thank you.